Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to write your first Flutter app. Flutter is an open source mobile application development framework created by Google. It allows you to build beautiful, fast and native apps for both Android and iOS platforms with a single code base. Before we get started, make sure you have the latest version of Flutter installed on your system. You can check this by running this command in your terminal, Flutter Doctor. If you don't have Flutter installed, visit the website flutter.dev and follow the instructions for your specific operating system. Now, let's create a new Flutter project. Here I am using VS Code. Launch Visual Studio Code and open the command palette by pressing Command-Shift-P in Mac. Press Ctrl-Shift-P if you are using Windows. Start typing Flutter New. Select the Flutter New Project command. Next, select Application and then select a folder in which you want to create your project. Finally, name your project. I'm giving it a name, My First App. Once the project is created, open the main.dat file in the lib folder. This is the entry point of your Flutter app. You will see some boilerplate code already present in this file, which is example of a counter app. We'll be modifying this code to build our first app. Let's first remove the code we don't need. Now, let's start by create a basic layout for our app. Flutter uses a widget-based approach to building user interfaces. In Flutter, everything is a widget, from simple text to complex animations. To create a basic layout, we will use a scaffold widget. A scaffold widget provides a basic visual structure for your app, including an app bar, a bottom navigation bar, and a body where you can place your app's content. In this code, we are importing the material package, which provides pre-built widgets for building material design apps. We are also defining our main function, which tells Flutter to run our app defined in My App. Next, we are defining a stateless widget named My App, which will return our material app widget. The material app widget is a container for your app, and it provides several pre-built widgets such as scaffold that you can use to build your app's user interface. Inside the material app widget, we are defining our scaffold widget. We are setting the app bar widget as the top bar of our app, and we are setting the body of the scaffold widget to a center widget, which contains the text widget with the text Hello World. Save the file and run your app by clicking on the Run button in your IDE or by running the command Flutter Run in your terminal. You should see a basic app with a top bar and the text Hello World in the center of the screen. Now let's create two screens to understand how navigation works in Flutter. First, let's create a home screen. When the application will start, this will be the first screen to open. To create a home screen, we will add a new file in the lib folder and name it homescreen.dart. We will create a stateless widget here and name it home screen. We can also use a stateful widget here. I'm not explaining what a stateful and stateless widget is and what is the difference between the two. As we are learning to create a basic app, I would cover it in another video. Now we can add this home screen here in the material app. Now we will follow the same process to create another screen. We will add a new file in the lib folder and let's name it firstscreen.dart. Create a stateless widget here and name it first screen. Now, let's add a button in the home screen to navigate to the first screen. There are different types of buttons available. Here I am using the material button. It will require an onPressed and a child parameter. We will add text as a child here. Let's write Go to first screen. In an onPressed parameter, we will use the navigator.push method to switch to a new route. The push method adds a route to the stack of routes managed by the navigator. Push will require two parameters, context and material page route. Add app bar in first screen. Now let's test that our navigation is working as expected. It is working perfectly. Now let's add back navigation from first screen to the home screen. We will add the material button in first screen as well. To navigate back, We have a navigator.pop method. The pop method removes the current route from the stack of routes managed by the navigator. Now, back navigation should work perfectly. Yep, it is working. Congratulations! You have just built your first Flutter app. From here, you can start adding more widgets and functionality to your app. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Flutter tutorials.